All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2013 Nissan Frontier. White with the tan interior, 113,000 miles. It obviously has this beautiful truck cap on it, which has the dual doors in the back, which looks great. All right, 111,000, 113,000 miles, somewhere like that. Super nice. Truck looks good. It's got backup sensors, steering wheel controls, super nice. Your front bumper, it's got to be as is for the mileage, over 100. But this is just a quick overview. We got a little dent here, 3, 6, about 9 inches. The bumper has a dent here, and then it has some scuffing up here, about 3, 6 to 7 inches there. All right, this fender here looks pretty good. Here's your your front driver's rim, and your tire thread here is at set the line of 430 seconds. Am I crazy? Under 430 seconds. This door looks okay. This rear, it's got the extended cab. This quarter looks pretty nice. Let's check out your little door here. All right, this is what it looks like from this side. Boom. Got your little area down there. Very nice. Turn on the light here. Boom. All right, very nice. It's got your backup sensors. No backup camera, but definitely has sensors. Here's your rear driver's rim. Tire thread is under 430 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof. I don't see anything dents or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks. You got your power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let's check out your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to this little door here. You got a little netting here for some stuff. This is what your door looks like from here. Boom. And your door on this side, we've already seen. Let's check it out the keys. Let's check it out the keys, huh? All right, so does come with one key fob, and then this is for the locks on your bed. So it does come with with the locks for the bed. All right, guys? Jump in here, turn it on. All right, you got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx and all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You do have a flashing airbag light on. I'm not sure what that means. It probably means like a short somewhere or something. It does have help me guys, a tire pressure light on. You get your mileage of 111441. So it has 111,000 miles. And the flashing thing is not a short. It's called, like, I forgot what the hell it's called. All right. It does come with owner's manuals. All right. Turn down the lights. I'm going to keep it moving here. Boom, boom, boom. Rear bumper. Looks pretty good. This door has a little latch here, moves down and swings out. It's even got the hydraulics there. Very nice. That's what it looks like. Boom. Boom. And boom. You get your toolbox and everything. A little toolbox, man. All right. REI, which is a good brand for this. All right. Then you got your box here. Pow. You can store stuff in it. Alright. Here's your rear passenger side rim. Your tire thread here is at 430 seconds. This door looks good. The front door looks okay. You got your front passenger door. Here's your rear passenger seat. Here's this bad boy. All right, your front passenger seat. I don't see no holes, no tears, no rips to this. Looks good. All right. Front fender looks good. It's got that scuffing there. All right, your front passenger's rim. And your tire thread is just under 730 seconds, above 4. Lights are working, car is running. Folks, once again, this is a 2013 Nissan Frontier with 111,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.